If you're experiencing billing errors on your SlantRange 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and correct common billing discrepancies. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Check your most recent billing statement for any discrepancies. Look for incorrect charges, duplicate charges, or services that you did not use. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents, including previous bills, payment receipts, and any correspondence related to your account. This will help you provide evidence when discussing the issue. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communications, including dates and names of representatives you spoke with. Step 5. Confirm resolution. Once the issue has been addressed, review your next billing statement to ensure that the error has been corrected. If the issue persists, repeat the previous steps as necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve billing errors efficiently. If problems continue, consider escalating the issue within the customer support framework.